$42, that's really expensive for a Mi Band, considering the very first one cost just $25. But then again, it's got NFC and an OLED display, so let's keep talking about the official launch of the Mi Band 5. If you want to see more, go ahead and click on the link in the description up above. Design-wise, this thing is basically unchanged. You've got the same rubber strap with the center oval being the brains of the watch. However, the screen is now going to be 25% larger than before, and it's also going to be an OLED display, which honestly looks to be really good. And this screen right here almost justifies the much higher pricing. In terms of color, I think the yellow strap actually looks really good, but that color is going to look real nasty when it's dirty. Let me know in the comments what color, apart from black, still looks good when it's dirty. It's going to have much more advanced features such as auto workout detection. Theoretically, could help diagnose things like sleep apnea, but you know what? There's zero chance this thing gets FDA approved in North America. That being said, the Mi Band 5 will also include stress monitoring and guided breathing features, which will be very popular in China because, well, life in China is super stressful. Also, remember when I said that the OLED display almost justifies the price hike? Well, this next thing basically also justifies the price hike, and that's gonna be the NFC chip, which the Mi Band did not have. And at launch, this will support UnionPay Quick Pass, which unfortunately is basically never used in the Western world. You know, think Europe, North America, and South America. You don't see that there. What's most used is Google Pay, unfortunately. It will also support other Chinese NFC payment methods like Alipay, and will also support Weibo Pay, which doesn't really use NFC, but just basically shows a barcode on the screen, and then the store actually scans your barcode and takes money from you. Anyway, battery life here is touted at 10 to 20 days, which is a decrease since the first Mi Band was launched. I think I got like 30 to 40 days on the first one, but that's to be expected with this new OLED display. The other thing I hear people saying is that, oh, that could be fake, but as far as I know, Xiaomi doesn't really inflate battery life numbers. Generally, what they say you get is about what you're gonna get. So basically what we can see here is that battery life is probably gonna be around 10 to 20 days. Oh, and you know, the last big change on this is magnetic charging. Hey, it took them long enough, right? The last thing the Mi Band 5 will support is taking pictures remotely. So if you're a creep and you want to creep on other people, it's gonna be so much easier with the Mi Band 5. So Xiaomi's right behind you on that. Go ahead and creep and take pictures with your Mi Band 5. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.